Thank you, Samir. In fact, one thing I need to point out is that C.D. Hayes is somebody who is a little superstitious about giving us interviews, and he says that if he gives us interviews, he's going to lose a race. But this time around, about 4 days ago, he gave us one, and I think he should continue giving us interviews before the race because he has clearly gone ahead and won. Tell me a little about the way the horse has taken the travelling.
He travelled well. He had a break in Bangalore from Calcutta, and he had done very well in Calcutta. He won both his top Group 1 races.
Has the weather gone in favour of this particular horse, or is it something that was always a cause of worry?
No, there was no worry.
All right, and it is clearly turned out to be, Mr. Mirza, a stayer. What next for this horse? Any kind of plan that you have in mind?
Well, he's getting better as he grows older. He had a fabulous campaign in Calcutta. He's proved himself now. It's a record time. So we'll give him a break and then we'll take it from there.
And did you have any kind of strategy in place for the Stayers Cup, considering it's a 3,000 meters run? So any kind of particular strategy you followed?
No, nothing. See, he won Calcutta Gold Cup mile, which is not his real trip. Still he went to front and he won. Then he won championship and he won the Derby from second, third position in Hyderabad in a record timing.
Right.
So he proved it again. Stay was not his problem.
All right. Congratulations once again, Mr. Mirza and Mr. Dhariwal, for that victory. And that was the owner and the trainer of the winning horse right here with me. And that's over to you in the studio.